Hello, welcome back to Pints of the Apiary. I'm Paul. Today we're going to take a look at a Langstroth, see what's going on in there, see if they're ready for a second deep. Doubt it, but we'll take a look and go from there. Alright, let's do this. Hive left. Alright, on this hive, all we need to do is just check to see if they got a queen, and see if they're ready for another deep. I don't think they will be.
Yeah, I think I need your help. I can zip it up.
You ready?
See?
Alright.
You're done with this one?
Nope, we're just starting it.
Okay.
So what you're going to want to do is take off the inner cover. And you want to see how many frames are they on. Oh, there's 10 frames in there.
Okay.
But they're only on like maybe 4 or 5, right? So you look down, and you see that they're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're on half of them. Okay, so they don't need another deep. So, but we want to see if the queen is doing okay. So you take off frame off the end.
Yes.
Yep. Just take it out. And then you can just set it to the side. Make sure the queen's not on it.
Nope.
Alright. So you can scoot that over, take a quick look to see if there's anything on it. Alright, that can go on the side. Okay, this one's got bees on it, so you're going to want to take it out. You're going to want to look to see if there's any, you can see the queen, or if you can see any brood.
No queen.
Right. That can go on, Josh, that can go inside the hive. Just move it all the way over. That way it's easier to put back together. Move it all the way over. Alright. I got some capped honey on that one.
I found a queen.
Did you?
Yep.
I can't see your arms in the way. You have to flip the... Don't let go. Yep, there she is. They're also building a supersedure cell. And we're going to get rid of that.
What's that mean?
If they want to replace her.
Uh-oh.
So,
That's bad.
supersedure cell is right here. Make sure there's nobody in there. Nope. Make sure I didn't knock. Oh, she's still there.
Trying to go to queen here, right?
Yep. All right, so this is just laid up with eggs. I don't know if I can get a good shot. All right, Joshy, let's put this back together. And that one comes back. Nope, the other one comes back first.
The hard one?
Yep.
Oh, I forgot.
You smell that smell? Kind of like bananas.
Yeah.
That is alarm pheromone.
Is that bad?
That means they're getting angry. So
Why did they get angry?
probably they didn't like when I knocked that queen cup off. Come forward a little bit. Oh, come forward. It's upside down.
Don't sting me, please.
All right. Just kind of bump them all the way. There you go. Good job. All right. Good job. All right, put the cover on. Put the brick on.
Yeah, done a good job.
You did a great job.
You should say I'm proud of you, John.
I am proud of you. So hive left. We found the queen, so that's important. I did find a frame that was completely loaded up with eggs, and on that frame there's also a supersedure cell. Now, supersedure cell is the bees think there's something wrong with the queen, and they want to replace her. We'll see. We'll see if we see any more of those. Then we'll do something about that. But she's got it laid up really well. All right, so that's it for laying left. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give her a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. And you too can be super cool. Josh is hiding me. If you give us one. Do you know what's super cool?
Subscription.
That's right, Josh, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't, now is a good time to go ahead and scroll down, click on this red subscribe button, and then click on the bell that comes up. When you do that, you'll get notifications every single time we upload a new video. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.